Ancient dirt beneath our bare feet. Smoke is rising where the spirits meet. Listen close to what the whispers say. The old ways never fade away. Through the canyons, through the shifting sand, we are the heartbeat of the sacred land.
The totem rises to the midnight sky. We look the eagle straight into the eye. The fire burns, the shadows start to dance. We enter into a shamanic trance.
Hey-ya, ho-ya, wake the soul.
Let the spirit take control.
Blood and history in the bone.
We are never left alone.
Hey-ya, ho-ya, feel the ground.
In the circle we are found.
See the ancestors in the stars above, guiding us with strength, guiding us with love. Every river holds a ghost of the past, a timeless story that was built to last. We wear the feathers, we sing the cry, underneath the endless desert sky.
Hey, the totem rises to the midnight sky. We look the eagle straight into the eye. The fire burns, the shadows start to dance. We enter into a shamanic trance.
Hey-ya, ho-ya, wake the soul.
Let the spirit take control.
Blood and history in the bone.
We are never left alone.
Hey-ya, ho-ya, feel the ground.
In the circle we are found.
The ritual is done. The spirits remain as one. Well,